Hello everyone and welcome back to German Vision. To all our new subscribers, welcome to German Vision. Today I'm going to give you the most demanded topic which lots of people have asked me about, like what are the salaries they can get, the average salaries they can get after their profession. For example, after IT, after marketing, after whatever the profession is, what are the top 10 professions and their average salary which you can get. It will be easy for you once you know this, the average salary of the profession. Maybe you can choose the profession better and you can have an idea about, if you're going to Germany, what are the plans you should make with your profession. So let's start with the top 10th profession which is on very much demand in Germany. So the 10th profession is that HR profile. HR profession, human resource, is very much in demand in Germany. The average salary they get is 58k euros per year. 58k euros per year. So this is the average package which one HR profession person can get in Germany. The next one, top 9th profession, is our marketing profession. So this profession average offered salary is 60k per year. But for this, if you are in marketing department, if you are having the marketing profession, it is very much important that you should know the German language as well, because obviously if you are in marketing department, you have to talk to the people who are basically from Germany or the Germans, and you have to talk to them because of this deals and all, to close that. So if you have the language, it is very much we can say a good skill that you can add on in your profession. Next profession comes is IT sector. So as you all know that IT is right now in a very booming department in Germany, and if you check the migrating ratio for IT people is very much in Germany, because IT is a hub in German. So you know that nowadays people are going to Germany specifically for IT, for medical, or for automobile. So here in IT they offer the average salary as 60k euros per year. 60k euros per year, because lots of IT headquarters are also there in Germany. For example, Deloitte, we have the other one is Capgemini also. So these headquarters are also there in Germany. So our next most important and demanded profession is IT sector. Next comes as sales and cooperating sector. Sales and corporate consulting is another most demanded profession in Germany. If you see, the average salary they offered is 63k per year euros. 63k euros per year, and this profession also needs a German language, because if you see that if you are going for any sales or for any consulting, you have to talk to Germans as well. So first I told is marketing, and second one which is very important to learn German language is sales and consulting department. So this average salary offered is 63k euros per year, but in case if you know German language, it can go up also. So it depends on you. If you are in this profession, must learn German language. Our next one is engineering sector. Engineering sector offered average salary as 64.5k euros per year. It's an average demanded salary, 64.5k per year. So next, top fourth sector is banking sector. Banking sector is another sector which is a hub in Germany, but not in overall Germany, we can say in some part of Germany. Average salary as 65k per year euros. So 65k euros per year. Top third one is law. Law, if you're learning law from Germany, you have to learn in German language. So they offer the average package as 70k euros per year. It's a 70k euros per year. Adding on language, they can go up also. So it is up to you that till which level you are learning, but I suggest that for these three professions, marketing, sales, law, you should go at least till B2 level. B1, B2 is your intermediate level in which you learn how to speak, how you can understand, you can do the basic conversation, and moreover you can talk in German. At least you can elaborate your opinion in front of some person. So this is our top third profession, which is law. Top second profession that we have is finance. Finance in Germany, if I say, as I said, that in some part of Germany we have that hub in like here in, if you see in India, in Delhi we have the hub of that Delhi and Bangalore hub of IT sector. Bangalore is completely a hub of IT sector. Same way in Germany also we have some part in which finance or financial sector is very much on booming, which is your Frankfurt. In Frankfurt, your mostly financial background professions, the people go there and settle down. So in Germany, Frankfurt is a financial hub, but the average salary they offer is 76k per year. 76k euros per year. And our top first one, as you all know, is medical sector. Medical sector is a very demanding sector in Germany, and they every time needs nurses or doctors in Germany. So that is why are mostly people from India, if they have learned, if they are from the medical background, I suggest to go there in Germany. You'll get a very good career over there, you'll get a very good chance and options, and also the experience. So medical sector, most demanded sector in Germany, and they're highly paid as well. That means their average pay for medical sector is 95 or 92k euros per year. That means 90 to 95 you can easily get per year euros. So it is about the doctors and for the high profiles. If we have nurses or the or a little lower profile in medical sector, they also get a good pay, but they are dependent on their language as well. For all these languages, whatever I told, that from top 10, all these sectors, if you know the language at least B1 level, you will get another level options and you will get a good experience over there. So I'll suggest mostly for the medical, for law, for finance, and for IT sector. Must go there, have a chance, get an opportunity, and try at least a year, a complete year, that you can give yourself for at least enlarging or giving yourself a time for another opportunity as well. So this is all about the top 10 professions which is mostly in demand in Germany. Also offering you all the courses from A1 to C1 level. Please join us. It's on a very less price, and also we are here for you to help you for the visa process as well. Completely from your visit to Germany, your profile, like your job, your accommodation, everything we are going to help you. So stay tuned, stay healthy, and please ask your questions. Thank you. Cheers.